Okey-dokey. Episode 5 is finally here. As Lucy finally navigates the Mojave, I'm remastering her coaster tribute to celebrate. Did you catch the Easter egg in this episode? The Atomic Wrangler casino Lucy visits is a direct location from the Fallout New Vegas game. They even recreated the neon sign perfectly. While this laser burns, here's a cool detail: Lucy's vault suit isn't just cheap spandex. The show actually imported special matte fabric from Italy and hand-dyed it to get that perfect shade of vault blue. There is something so satisfying about watching the laser burn that iconic logo into the grain. I'm using a high-speed setting here to capture the texture of her gear. Just like the show, I wanted this to feel real-world and gritty, not just like a cartoon. The final result, a piece of art fit for the Mojave. Make sure to watch the Wrangler on Prime today. See you in the wasteland.